My wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How una dey, my delicious people? How una dey, my beautiful people? I greet you all according to your time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your location where you for dey watch this video from. Abeg, if you dey see this my channel for the very first time, abeg do me a favor by hitting that red subscription button that says subscribe, and also on the bell icon, the notification bell, so that anytime when I take drop any video, you go receive the alert for your phone. Yes, so my wonderful people, my delicious people, I don come back again with another update. Una know na as e be say na me be the aproko the godmother. Be like say this our channel we also change the name o. How many of una dey in support make we change this channel name from Sweet Mother Gist TV to Aproko the Godmother? Aproko the Godmother TV. If una dey in support, make una no forget to comment down below, make I for know whether we go change the channel name or not. So kasala don burst again, my country people. E don red and burst again, my country people. No be small thing. Yeah, what don gas between Lolo talk show and Esther talk show. That two name, it gets resemblance. The two name e resemble. Now understand, because Lolo talk show, Esther talk show. Sure, dey the two of them. Okay, my country people, wetin dey inside this video wey be say our sister come do today? Esther talk show come do am concerning Lolo talk show. Lolo the Goldenfish. Lolo, una know na as e dey be, as dem dey call am ukpesi o. So everybody get your own for body, everybody get your own name, guy's name. So now we dey analyze today o. Our sister wey una dey see for here, Esther talk show, come out today come tell Lolo say all the whole thing wey be say Lolo the Goldenfish dey do, say she know everything. As Lolo go take dey call a lot of people for back say make dem no dey view her again. E say she don see Lolo talk show, e don see im nyash, e don see everything wey be say she dey do for her back. E say the time wey be say e dey support Lolo small. E say that time sef, e say she no come dey get view again. E say but since wey be say e come do one video, e come dey call Lolo the ukpesi o, the ukpesoko. E say na everybody come run again come meet her. Now she come start to dey get view again. If una no know this our sister page for Facebook, na Jerry wife na be her Facebook page name, my country people. Abeg, if una never also follow me for my page Sweet Mother Gist TV, when I be here with YouTube now, na so it still be for page. Go and like and follow my page. Support your girl, support your sister. Wari boy ti wa yeke nigedi emere ereme yeke gaka. So wetin we dey analyze today for inside this video? Now wey don red and burst. Na no say if I talk am like that na kutukutu no, e don really red and salokwa for inside comment section. The way be say they take blastalize Lolo talk show black and blue for the comment section. Hi, na be hide your face, yeah. No be small thing o. Oh yeah, na make we come dey go, my country people. Una know how dey be. So na the title wey be say the title this video na be this one. Wahala be like Esther say Lolo SMGMs dey message people to stop watching her. Akure Elogbo Junction. No be small thing, my country people. So make we come dey go comment section, because this comment section na odukwa hoti ovesa bo. 82 comments now we get for here, not be small thing. So I go dey take una along. The first commenter come say, from watching a few of her posts, Lolo was a problem child. She mentally stubborn and dangerous. I pity the people that keep her as a friend. Hey, una hear that comment, now a lot of people can react to this very comment with like, love. Now only one red head now we can't get. Now go dey see am for here. Okay, my people, so make we keep reading this first comment. E say, I pity the people that keep her as a friend. They are completely enslaving. Okay, oh, ebony oye nyeke okpetenyo na no say me na as I dey see ya kalo ekwa otiebe one of the universe. Sweet mother Gist TV kalo ekwa niya tie kwa ave noje. Oh yeah, now make we go our second comment. Because when I said Lolo is not completely on that Esther copyright song she used for her birthday. They don't bring another one corner. No, our commenter now. If we dey one direction, they go carry us go another one gidigba. No, why they be now. So it can say, when I said Lolo is not complaining on that Esther copyright song she used for her birthday, some of her fake account fans said it was about people putting copyright on Esther's song. See how Lolo is not worth keeping as a friend. He said, una see as Lolo is not worth to keep as a friend. Okay, then they talk about Esther Edokpayi song wey be say people can claim so I believe so a lot of una don hear that matter. So make we dey go now. The third commenter wey we get for here say, he say na so accusation and accusation you and your husband sabi Lolo first send you to fight for her. Now be iwinere you and your husband dey carry. If you ask me, you be mumu. So this very comment go to Esther talk show, my people, because me I not get the one when I dey read the join. As the commenters that they put on for here, now so I say they kaloy for now. Now no na agege kaloy. So make we dey go another person now. They can react to this very comment. Now see am for the 18 thumbs up and laugh and one red head. So now person can come out he can't answer this Diamond for here. Say Diamond tell her I do not understand why she and her husband are always blaming and accusing people for their mumu. What kind of stupidity coupe is this? They are referring to Esther talk show. If they refer to Lolo talk show, I go still let una dey know, my people. Okay, so we can't get another comment after that one. Can say she first started fighting for monarchia. That one no send you. I'm sure she run come dey insult that one. Abi na Lolo send you before. See wahala o. Hey wey. Wahala be like bicycle, my country people. So make we still dey go. More comments still dey. Wella, we never even start to another person no mind her. Even Mugu better pass her. Okay. So we can't get another person for here. So you know, say Lolo na bad belle woman. Her job is to spoil people. Now, na Cora she wan carry cash cruise. Say Cora no dress well for that show. He say Lolo say Cora no dress well for that show wey Cora do. Okay. Soonest God go shame her. So people can react for this very comment too. Now they see they can put 4 thumbs up. So make we dey go, my country people. So another person can say everything Lolo touch dies. Lolo is her own enemy. She need to get off Facebook. With all her lies, God have a place for all his children. But the devil prepare a bed for Lolo. She live, but the swear, and so she shall perish in her. It shall perish in her. She do not know the truth to even set her free. Foolish, long-mouthed woman. Hey, not be small thing. They can also react for this very comment. Not be small thing, my country people. I tell una say this comment section, it don't boss. burst na old kwa hot e over hot, my country people. Don red for Lolo. So the next comment na for Lolo. That is why I say don red for Lolo. He say Lolo call you to fight for her. Mumu long is take am. This commenter dey refer to Esther talk show. He say Lolo call you to fight for her. Mumu long is take am. Then they come react. If you see thumbs up, like what people put for this video and laugh. No be small thing o. So the next commenter come say I not double am cause the devil and jealousy spirit in her is just too much. They are referring to Lolo. He say I don't double am cause the devil and jealousy spirit in her is just too much. Say devil and jealousy spirit wey dey inside Lolo talk show, he say e too much. So we can't get another commenter for here. They blasterize and disguagalize Lolo for inside this comment section, my country people. Now know say as e take dey here, na so I take dey read am for now. So make we go the next comment. Say I do not understand this iyelekute. Oh, come on. I do not understand this iyelekute problem. She no get content, no fans. He cannot even talk. Okay, he cannot even take away drunk before insulting people on social media with that her local illiteracy husband. My people, what is this baby elephant presenting? That a whole SMGM will send message to people not to watch her. Hey, this comment now for our sister Esther talk show. That they tell am say wetin this local illiteracy husband, my people, what this baby elephant presenting, that a whole SMGM will send message to people not to watch her. Then they refer to say wetin Esther talk show dey really present, wey be say the whole organic nation, that is Lolo talk show people come dey tell people say make dem no dey watch her again. Na be that comment. Abeg make we dey go sharparly, no time to check time, my people. So another commenter, you are in pain because you do not have fans. Who is supporting you? That is why you are jealousy. So that comment, e can't go to Esther talk show. So we can't get another commenter for here. We can respond to this very comment. Okay, you can say she do not have any fans. Instead of her to work on herself, she come and be blaming people and crying on live video. That is for Esther talk show. Okay, another commenter can say you no fit you no fight for Lolo. You took advantage of her. You took advantage of her situation at that moment. Take get viewers. Premature. Ebule, I don't know what to the right for now. I go dey leave some comment for now for here. Make una for fire down, still read down with me. Okay, make we dey go, my people, because no time to check time. Make we go to the another of our commenter. Lolo is someone I know reach house. Her jealousy on people competing with her do not have part two. She just want to have it all. Amasu. Hey, my people, I no know whether na Yoruba language na can be that one, my people. Oh yeah, na make we dey go. No time to check time, my country people. Another person come answer say everywhere calm. Nora, you be mumu sha. You don't know your family reach house finish. Now you dey even jealous of the commenters wey dey this page because you dey think upside down. Hey, muna see fight, muna see quarter between commenters, my country people. Now know say according to this issue, Esther fans go come comment section come comment, while Lolo talk show fans go also come. Even people wey no be fans sef, they will come here, they will come write their own comments, come blasterize anyone at all wey dem know say I know say haters dey everywhere now. Okay, make we dey go, my country people. I swear you are so right. That is that comment wey we read just now. Okay, we come get another comment. Why una dey always swallow una vomit? Hi. This one lado, my people. Come. This commenter dey refer to who una think say dey refer to? Comment down below. Oya na, we come dey go, make we dey go. Now this Esther come mumu pass for all the Edo live video presenter. Na the person wey help her open Facebook and YouTube channel. Na e blame. Na e say okay, na I blame. Na this commenter. He say na person wey help Esther open Facebook page. He say na e blame o. Na so this commenter talk for here. Make I dey explain am to una, make una for dey understand. Be on my otani meta kowe when you oya na, make we dey go. Now this Esther come mumu. Okay, we don read this one. I first tell mommy that they say Esther no be better person. I hope una dey see am now. Make una see. Only one person I put red head, the rest na tonzo they put. So we can't get another person. Dory say she no see who she want face again. Na Cora, na him this old madam they talk about. She no get shame at all. Person wish she senior old woman. This commenter dey refer to Lolo talk show. Okay, my people, make we dey go. Esther mumu. Hey, people come put laugh. They come still put thumbs up, my people. I don't know whether una dey see am well. So another person come this whole and two mumusha. This woman, okay, this woman too mumusha. I want to belong. Na dey buy you. They go so. Hey, now wow. Some things when you see for comment section, you go bagger, you no even wear your slippers sef. You go run this slippers, see ule. And now your body when you not be smart, my people. Yeah, now make we dey go. We can't get another commenter for it. Cause say ha. Now we dey run now. My people. And una come see. They come put one old man picture for here. Make we open the old man na a baba ejebu. Carry me dey go presido. When one rule una dey carry una dey go waka. No be small thing. Oya na, make we dey go. My country people. If may stop am, may not come give me this copyright. Make we dey go. So the next comment can say, Esther, all these lies you are talking against Lolo. Now this best show go suffer for long time. You have been looking for Lolo. So the constable another person for here, whether na Indian man, me no come know, my people. So make we dey go, my people. Now another person come pull love. We can't get another comment text say, Esther, how wish Lolo go just give you one injection. I for too happy. Don't read my people. No be smarty. Hey, we could still get another person. We can answer this person. We say, Esther, how wish Lolo go just give you one injection. I for too happy. So now they can't answer this person. Say, you want make she go lie down for hospital? He say, whether this one right? Make her start talking, she go lie down for hospital. After Lolo give her that hot injection. Commenter say, hey, una wala too much. So I can say, na me want, okay. So I can say, Lolo na bad head. Esther, come join our club, Monica new friends club. Away. Now I mean not to understand now. You say make Esther talk show come join their club. You say, okay, Lolo na bad head. Esther, come and join our club, Monica new friends club. So Monica gets a new friend club. I be not know. Hey, this comment section dey switch you dey understand some things wey if you say you never know before. Oya na make we dey go. Which content you get sef? Wey Lolo go say make people no watch you. Yeah dey smell. Ha. Hey, no be small laugh oh, my country people. Because say but how you take know say na Lolo dey send those message? Mumu chai, you be real olodo, just enter house nothing when you sabi. Hey, come put many for me. No be small thing, my country people. So people come react to that very comment. The couple 8 tonzo. Oya na make we dey go, my country people. I no know wetin dis mumu dey present wey person no go when person go dey jealous her. Hey, say another commenter say why you feel say na Lolo dey send people message when you no get content. Dey talk zuwo like okra wey dey draw. Na better thing dey sell sef. Go up grant your speech. Okay oh, my people, me I not too understand that comment oh. So no be small. We can't open the comment for here. Now we can't see person wey say na only food for 10 people she dey eat daily. Hey, they can't put Esther talk show for here when she dey eat, my people. Now they see this very one where they say na only food for 10 people she dey eat daily. Hey, no be small thing o. Now they come carry Esther talk show where she for dey eat. They come carry am come here, my country people. How una see this matter now? How una see this comment section? I dey read dey ask. Una no dey comment at all. Una wey dey watch this my video of comment section, why una no dey comment? May I dey know una opinion whether una like this video when I dey do or not. Una like am? Even though say na yes, your right for comment section, I go understand. I be coded woman. So make we dey go. So another person call say baby elephant, Lolo call you for phone make you come fight for am. Okay, winnere. We can't get another person say but Lolo wickedness is clean and clear. Hey. This one wey right I not too know. May I spell am for una for read am. SESPEP expose. You do not have eyes to see. She's really wicked and heartless. She's not hiding it. She do not love anybody apart from herself. Okay, apart from herself. Have never watched her video praising somebody. She is also hating Lolo. Is wicked. Nobody can take that from her. This commenter dey refer to Lolo say but Lolo wickedness is clear and clean. Okay, my people, make we still dey go now. More dey go. Wole. Another commenter come say I'm not Lolo fans, but Esther, if you take those fake accounts serious, you go end up having many enemy on this Facebook. You need to be strong to take any bullying message when you dey sing for inbox. Okay, make we dey go. Wole. Alagba, more dey go. We no message her why she go dey lie say Lolo na tell people not to watch her. Now another person come reply this person because na attention seeker. Okay, another person come answer I'm telling you. They come still come again. Only to eat 10 people food she sabi. They come still put this very picture again, my country. As we dey talk so, my people, commenters still dey comment o. Okay, so now another person come comment for here. He come say, hey, ha. Another one come say foolishness, write up, that's her choice of eating, get lost. Okay. Another person, ha ha ha, funny you. Okay. Another one come say you no sabi anything, rest. Now another commenter come say big mumu. Okay. So we have 2 comments left. I wanna see this comment section today, my country people. Make we read the 2 comments wey remain. Make we come dey ready to come pack our load, come dey go. Oya na my people. So our second to last comment come say, but you dey call Lolo dey beg her to help you. Hey, he say, but you dey call Lolo to dey beg her to help you monetize your Adegbeyeke page. Una hear am so? We dey hear many things for this comment section. Una hear am? He say Esther talk show dey call Lolo for back, dey beg am say make e come help am monetize her page. My people, I no know that one o. Okay, na people come react to this very comment o. They come put thumbs up, they come put laugh, they come still put one red head. So make we dey go. So because say can't you talk to Lolo without mentioning Monica? He say white people no fit talk to Lolo without mentioning Monica name for this issue wey dey on ground between Lolo talk show and Esther talk show. My people, I wanna see this matter, my people. Me, the way when I see the matter say, make the rest for all those quarrel and saga and bullying wey dey go on for inside social media. Everything wey be say we need na peace, because we all are brothers and sisters. We be brothers and sisters, so because wetin people no really know for front be say, like Lolo now, Lolo get children, abi? Yes. Esther talk show get children as well. Because mama dem no hear gbeva well, we no know where our children go for come jam. They go come say they love each other. And you now go come say, so obvious also person where he wow, of where you remain, all those kind issue. E not really good. Quarrel. Or where ezo biomesi where domain. Make una let peace reign, because you gonna na be mere social media na aribokan say no yet to make una let peace reign on social media, and make una find another content they create. Una go see a lot of people that they do prank, that they talk of this election where they go on for Nigeria, and a lot of things they will be say you go fit present, not be only saga. Now understand? And me where they talk so. As when I still they do the saga, I'll still they bring this comment section. I'll come they look what people think about the video where una do. I'll come they kalo kwa be mana. Now understand? So all we need is peace. I beg, if you never subscribe to this Omie channel, Sweet Mother Gist TV, YJKG, subscribe. Subscription is free. To support your sister na, make you for under egogo where they make beng. Egogo na, the notification belly, the notification bell. Anytime where beside I drop new video, you will be the first to watch. That's why it's very important to subscribe. Subscription na free, and una dey subscribe to our channel na free, no dey give us 1 cent. Na for una to dey get our alert, no una still dey enjoy our gist, na make e suppose no una dey subscribe o, because a lot of people no understand. I need to subscribe, you need to dey go no. Subscription no dey give us money at all. Only way una for dey give us money na maybe that super chat, una go super chat us, or that button wey still say thanks, una go press and super chat us for there. E go give us money. And if e be say we dey get many views, like 100,000 view, 50,000 view, 10k view, e still dey give us money. But we be the small YouTuber, we no dey get view, so we no dey really get money. So we need una support. Una still dey share our video out. And if you never follow me for my page, follow me for my page, because my followers e no many for my page, Sweet Mother Gist TV. ni page me we do me waya we say o wa be na ge kai sa afiagbo saguwaro when waya watch a video me osalobo afiagbo wa. So we can't get one fresh comment for here. We just comment just now. So I go dey read am for una before we go dey go. Now be this comment we just, e say just now. I don't know whether una understand. So he said, did she send you to fight for her? Now not the truth, but because of jealousy, you people were base. You finish. Now so he write and reach my people. So I got to live with that for year, my country people. Nobody is perfect. Anyhow, when I say read this comment section, we are all learner. Don't laugh. No malagbonfo nugegiarwa o. Na mamarokpa ma eva kwe kiapie. No malagbonfo nugegiarwa o. Yes, so even me myself, I know say a lot of people did. Wey be say me, I try pass for this reading. Apart from that one, don't say when I don't even read reach. Na Spanish, na I for the read. They go their school. No. I love you all, my viewers. See you guys on my next one. Bye.